Hey guys, Remy here, RCS Geelong. Man, that lighting's great. Just as great as how dirty my t-shirt is. I don't know if it's just, well, it is dirty, but this is what happens. Started my clothing brand 2 years ago, and I've probably already gone through about 30 of these sheets. 30 of these shirts. Always seem to burn holes in them. Just here in this great lighting, me in this lighting. Get ready to rumble! No. Yeah, let's get done. Woo! Hey guys, Remy, RCS Geelong. Going to be lowering this VF today. It's got coilovers in it, so we're just adjusting them down, and I'm going to be rolling the rear guards to suit. That way he's not going to be scrubbing or whatever when he has mates in the back of the car. So yeah, it's got some pretty big poke on the front. It's got, I think, 10s on the front and 11s on the rear. Can't remember exactly, but I'll show you some clips of it in a sec. Pretty cool looking daily for someone. So let's get into it. Bloody power's gone out, as I said, and then they sent me a message saying that the power will be back by 5:30, and I thought, oh, that's only a couple of hours away. That's not too bad. That's not great, but and then they've sent this one. Oh, you can see that. Why am I clicking on my screen? Yeah, so they've just sent that. So it sounds like it's going to be like 6:30. But until the power gets back on, I guess I'll find something else to do. So I just seen power core out the front, so with any luck the power will be on again soon. But I've been working 14 to 16 hour days, so I took the time to have a beer and chill out. Been watching some YouTube. Actually hasn't been that long so far, it's only probably been a bit over an hour. So power wasn't meant to be back on for another 2 hours. Hopefully I get it back on soon so I'll get this guy's car done. I just hope it's not a regular occurrence. Hopefully it was something to do with the putting up a heap of new factories over the side here. With any luck it was, yeah, something to do with that. Yeah. I don't think I've ever been so excited to have the power back on. Power goes out at home, I don't really care. It's like, oh well, I'm gonna chill out for the night.